Good morning everyone. I am Anushka Singh of class 10th A from Kendriya Vidyalaya Mahasana and I am the participant of 28th National Children's Science Congress. I am participating in the sub-theme Traditional Knowledge System. I have chosen the topic diabetes. So before going ahead, let me clear you why I have chosen this topic. So my main aim behind choosing this topic is to know the actual reason behind increase in diabetes these days and to protect non-diabetic people from diabetes and to let people know what is the actual reason behind this disease and its effect and causes. So moving ahead, let me describe you what is diabetes. Diabetes mellitus, commonly known as diabetes, is a metabolic disease that causes high blood sugar. The hormone insulin moves sugar from body blood into your cells to be stored or used for energy. With diabetes, your body either doesn't do this process or it doesn't do it effectively. So, diabetes is very harmful disease. It makes your blood sugar at high level and it harms your body. And within diabetes gives birth to many other diseases such as risk of stroke, risk of heart disease, pancreas malfunctioning, damage of nerves and blood vessels, etc. Moving ahead, we'll talk about our objectives. So before doing this project, we thought of something around this. Diabetes is a disease in which lifestyle plays an important role. So let me first of all tell you what we thought about diabetes before working on this project. Actually, we were working on this project for the first time. We didn't know much thing about this. So we first of all researched about this topic, and then after researching, we made a questionnaire, and then we selected a work area where we have to survey people and to know more about this. So first of all, we researched, and basically we found lifestyle plays a very important role in diabetes. And then moving ahead, we noticed when we compare diabetic population of people in old days and people nowadays, we found a great difference. So people in early days were not having severe diabetes issue, but now diabetes is common in every home. Every home must be having one or more than one patient in their house because diabetes is spreading very harshly. And diabetes is not an infectious disease, so it made us think that what will be the actual reason of this. Then, eating habits of people also affect health these days. So we concluded that eating habits like people eat refined foods, people eat polished food. That's why it is affecting them harshly. Moving ahead, I'll tell you my hypothetical statement, which is before working on this project, I was quite worried about this because I was not having much idea about diabetes and I was not knowing anything. So I was thinking, how will I work on this? But working on this project was very interesting for me, and I'm very glad that my teachers gave me this opportunity to speak about this. And my teachers told me that diabetes is something really connected with human lifestyle, and then we researched more about this. So when we surveyed, we made a questionnaire and we surveyed. Our work area was Jagat Vihar colony, and we surveyed almost 50 people, and we found their reasons. So as you can see in this pie chart, people told us more major four factors which are stress, smoking, physical activity, and food habits. So, nowadays we surveyed according to age group. That's why we get to know that what is the actual difference. Why is there is sudden increase in diabetes? So we found that the adult percentages, they say 40% it is because of stress. So nowadays people are very engaged in their busy schedule. So it is it is very difficult for them to take out time for their health. So they keep on very stressed up. Hence they told us one reason as stress. Then the other 30% was their food habits because they are very busy these days, so they can't keep much efforts on their food habits. They eat polished food, they eat refined food, which is not healthy and that affects them harshly. Other 10% people said that they are not so active in physical activity because they have a busy schedule, they can't give time to their health, and hence it is proven harmful for them. And the other 20% they told about smoking. So these days people are going very addict, so it proved harsh for them. Then up next we'll see that what the old age group said us. They include 46% of physical activity in their daily lifestyle, which is proven very helpful for them. So, because of totally involvement in physical activity, their body keeps on regulate, and hence they are not so diabetic people. And this is not only the survey reports of diabetic people, we have surveyed non-diabetic people too, and we know and we got to know that their lifestyle is also something around this, but they will try to improve it. So this is something to do with old people, and this is food habit. They have a healthy food habit, and they don't smoke actually, and they keep their stress level low. Hence they are safe now. Now I'll make you move on to our work area. This is our work area. This is Jagat Vihar Colony. This is Kaushik Colony Road, and we surveyed this area actually. This is a satellite picture. We surveyed this area, we moved on home to home, and then we got to know people's problems. We asked them questions, we listened their problems, we tried to find out their solutions. And finally, I'll tell you what was our work plan. Actually, first of all, we researched about the topic, then we formed a questionnaire, then we surveyed people, and then we got to know their problems. We tried to find out their solutions. We took help of our teachers and parents and other references. Then we took out other references, and then finally we observed something. Let me go through the observation. We finally observed that lifestyle is totally responsible for diabetes, and the increase in diabetic population from then to now is due to change in lifestyle. People are resulting in diabetes way more than early days. As I said before, due to lifestyle, people are resulting in diabetes a lot. They are having severe. They're not giving time to their health. They're not having proper food habits. They are not having proper physical activities. Hence, it is proving harmful for them. As I have written here, that people then were involved in physical activity, which resulted in a positive manner, and it actually resulted in positive manner. Many of old people are still healthy and safe, and they're totally enjoying their life, and they lived a stress-free life, as I have written there, and they used to eat chemical-free foods, non-polished rice and non-refined foods, which worked in a positive manner, and which is very helpful. Further, I will tell you what are our future plans for this project. So, as we are kids, we are not earning right now, but we have thought of something to do in future to promote this. So, according to our data collection, we found that in India, around 62 million plus people are suffering with diabetes, in which maximum people are adult group, and in the whole world, approximately 463 million plus people are suffering with diabetes, and it is expected that till 2045 it will reach 700 million. So I literally don't want this to happen. So we have thought of a future plan, that is, we will try to organize yoga camp and medical camp for people, so that they would relax a little, they will meditate, and they will feel relaxed. They will live a stress-free life. They'll give little time to their health, which will be definitely very beneficial for them. We will ask them to include physical activity in their lifestyle, which will be very helpful for them, and so on. I'll discuss about some problems and some solutions. So people told us their problems, that due to their busy schedule, they are unable to give time to their health, and that proven very harsh. So they were not able to give time to their health. So we will ask them to take short breaks from their busy schedule, so that they will come up with fresh ideas, fresh health, and moreover we'll ask them to at least have 3 days healthy meal in your lifestyle. It would be very beneficial. So I hope my project would come with many good ideas, and I hope that our country, our world would stay safe from diabetes. We fight against diabetes, and we will win. Thank you.